right? I've shown you this command. All we have seen, right? Show IP route, complete information. Show IP route, complete information. Show IP route, complete information. IP route static, only static routes. Show running configuration, include IP route, will show you the configuration you have done with the command IP route. Show IP protocols, when we start the routing protocols, at that time we'll see. Okay, now you'll have nothing. Watch, I'll show you. Is there any information? Is it saying about any protocols? It is just nothing. It's just nothing.
Yeah.
It is an application, and it is about that some not our part. It is not saying about any routing protocol. That is why I told this will be used when we are discussing about any routing protocol. Okay. Floating static route. Right? For suppose think that as we are doing static routing, we give, if you want to reach X network, go through 12.1. Okay, but what if this fails, or if this fails? All the communication will be blocked. Why? Because it is not dynamic routing protocol. It is not dynamic entry. It is static entry, right? If the route is down, the route will not be deleted. Okay, whatever the packet has come for that destination, they will be dropped. Yeah, it will be stored in the routing table. Why? Because it is statically given. If it is dynamically given, if it gets an update to remove, it will remove. But it is statically given, static routing, so it will not remove. Right? So now what will we do is, our concern is, if this route is not reachable, immediately the router has to switch the packets to another way, right? So what will we do is, we'll tell router that if you want to reach X network, if you want to reach X network, if you want to reach X network, you can go to 12.1, and also you can go through 13.1. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But what will I do is, I want first this route must be preferred. If this is down, my router should prefer this route. Okay. So what will I do is, I will give AD value 1 here. I will give AD value 2 here. This is a lower AD. This will be preferred first. Right? If this route is down, then only my router will prefer this route. Why? Because this AD value is 2. Okay. Yeah. So first the best path. If this is down, then the next second best path. Okay. This is called as floating static route. Okay. Giving one backup path and selecting the primary. If the primary is going down, selecting the secondary is called floating static route. Okay. So can be configured as backup route. Okay. Administrative distance can be increased to make a route backup. I gave 2 routes. I want one should be selected primarily, and I want second should be backup. So what will I do? I'll give primary AD value lower one and backup one will be given higher AD value. That's it. Provide redundancy between two statically defined routes. Providing redundancy between two statically defined routes is called floating static route. And the command will be again the same in the global mode, global configuration mode, IP route, network, mask, next hop, then we will have AD val. Okay, then we will have AD val. Right? So my command will be show IP route. Again the same thing, show running configuration show IP route or else show IP route prefix, the same thing. Okay. If you want to troubleshoot, debug IP packet. Okay. A static route is defined. A static route is defined. My packets are not reaching onto this router. What will I do is I will debug on this router. If I give this command, what will my router do is whatever the IP packets are received, it will show you a message. If an ICMP packet is received, it will show you an ICMP packet is received. If a TCP packet is received, it will show you a TCP packet is received. Okay, so debugging is a troubleshooting command, and you can give default IP routing also. Okay.